welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be showing you how to make this quick and easy crochet mask. If you want to see how I made this, please stay tuned and we will get right to it. Okay, so to begin this project I am using my 4mm crochet hook, some yarn that I can't read, I'm assuming it's 4-ply medium, and a stitch marker. Alright, so to begin, we will start with a chain of 33 stitches. Okay, so start with your loop, and you're going to make 33 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. So you will skip the first stitch from the hook and enter into the second one. And you're going to do one single crochet. And now for this round, for this first row, you're going to do a row of single crochet all the way across. So one single crochet in every stitch all the way to the end. So go ahead and finish that row up and I will meet you at the end. Alright, so I've completed my first row of single crochet all the way across. So to begin round 2, you're going to chain 1, turn the work around, and now we're going to be, if you turn your stitches to face you, you'll see the loops on top. We are only going to be working in the back loop. So we're going to do 6 single crochet. So starting with the first stitch right here, we're going to enter the back loop, and we're going to do one single crochet in each of the first 6 stitches. So that's 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I hope my finger is not in the way because I cannot see my camera from where I'm sitting. Okay, so we have 6 single crochets to begin, and in the next 4 stitches we're going to do 4 half double crochet. So you wrap your yarn around your hook like so, enter into the back loop, hook the yarn, pull through and pull up, hook the yarn and pull through all loops. And that's a half double crochet. You're going to do 4 of those. So that's 1, whoops, 2, and I'll go slow for my beginners, 3, and 4. So we have 6 single crochet, then 4 half double crochet. Here's where our stitch marker comes in. You're going to go to the end of your stitches. When you finish round 1, you should have had 32 stitches all the way across. So from the end, 6 and 4 is 10. So from this end we're going to count out 10 stitches. So we're going to start with this space right here. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And that's where we're going to put our stitch marker. You don't necessarily need it, but it helps. And why I say you don't need it is because once you've done your 4 half double crochet, what comes next will be 12 double crochet. So if you have all the stitches that you need in your first row, which is 32, then you should have 12 right here, because 10 plus 10 plus 12 would be 32. Alright, so we are going to do our 12 double crochets. So this is 1, and these are all in the back loop only. 2, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12, which takes us up to our stitch marker. So now we're working that way. So after the 12 double crochets, you're going to have 4 half double crochets. And those again are only in the back loop of the stitch. So you turn the stitch facing you so you can see the top, so you know where the front and the back is. And it's 4 half double crochet. 1, 2, 3, and 4, which will leave us with 6 stitches, and those are going to be 6 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and for the last one we'll go through the front of the stitch. We'll go through both sides of the stitches to anchor it on this side to complete this round. Then we'll chain 1, and that is our pattern for this project. So for row 3 it's going to be the same. 6 single crochet in the back loops, then 4 half double crochet, then 12 double crochet, 4 half double crochet, 6 single crochet, chain 1, turn, repeat. And you are going to do that for a total of 12 rows. So this is row 1. Go ahead and do 11 more rows to complete this project, and once we are up to row 12 I will come back and we'll pick up from there. So keep going. Okay, so I have completed my rows, and yours may look wider depending on the type of thread you used. Regardless, yours should be at this point, with all the rows you've done, it should be big enough to cover your face from the top of your nose to the bottom of your chin. And you can go ahead and measure it up to your face. This, although it looks small, still works for me. But anyways, to begin the final round, which will be a round of single crochet, just like we started with, you're going to chain 1, turn the work around, and then you're going to go through each stitch with 1 row of single crochet all the way across. And this time we're not going through the back loop or anything, we're just going through the stitch. And it's just 1 single crochet in each stitch all the way across. Okay, and once you get to the end, you will chain 1, and then we're going to be working along the sides. So just to make the sides a little bit neater, we're going to do a row of single crochet into each space. So in everywhere where there's a hole along the sides here, you're going to put 1 single crochet, just to fill those gaps and to give it a neater finish on the side edge. This part is optional. If you don't want to do that, totally up to you. But I find it gives it a little bit more neatness to the finish. And if you notice, I'm not going in any particular order. I'm just going into wherever there is an opening for my needle. Okay, once I get to the edge, I'll just slip stitch to finish that round. And now for the handles, I'm going to go ahead and chain 25. You can put anywhere between 20 to 30 chains for your handles, depending on what works for your face. So for me, I think 25 should be enough. So I got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25. And with that, I'm going to slip stitch in the other side to join. Just like so. And I'll slip stitch a second time to secure. Then hook the yarn, pull through and pull up. And I ran out of thread right there, which is good, because I would have to cut it anyways. So on the other side, we're going to need to do another row of single crochet and our other handle. Alright, so we are going to start with a loop. And now we're going to slip stitch into the edge of our work right there. I think my loop was too tight. Okay. And now we're going to do chain 1 and 1 single crochet in each space along the side of this edge to give this side a neat finish like we did on the other side. Okay, so just 1 single crochet in each space. All the way across. And then when you get to the edge, you just put 1 slip stitch and another just to secure. And you're going to chain 25 or however much chain you decided to go with for your handles. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. And you will slip stitch in the other side to join. Stitches are a little bit tight on that side. And then another slip stitch to secure. Then pull through and cut your yarn. So here is what this is what the finished mask looks like, and then at this point the only thing left to do would be to weave in your ends. Once the mask is completed and all the ends are weaved in, the final step would be to add a liner, which I will just sew in off camera once I am done. So with the liner, you want to sew either along the bottom and along the top, and then leave the 2 sides out so you can add a filter or some kind of maybe a piece of napkin or a paper towel underneath. Or you want to sew all 3 edges, the sides, the bottom, and the 2 sides and the bottom, and you can put your filter in the top part of it. Okay, well, anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in another one. Bye.